Hello, sir. Welcome to Sia Bistro. How can I help you?
All right, I want to take in some orders.
Okay.
Do you have Sia burger?
Hey! All right.
And stir fry?
Okay, stir fry is available. What else would you like to order, sir?
Waffle? Suya toast.
Clean the benches now. Oh my god. We are back in nature. It's no longer wasting, guys. It's no longer wasting. Do you see waste? No. So it's checking on day 2 of the bin. I think it's being used. Look. I think it's being used. There's some things I don't recognize. I wish I actually tracked this. This bench, I'm going through it again for like a more like manicured look. They grow blackberries. You can even see one that's quite ripe here, very ripe, and it's just surrounded by rubbish. Like people can be eating, like foraging the blueberries and stuff, blackberries and stuff like that. Like that'll be nutrient. That's potassium for the day. Do you know what I mean? But it doesn't really look appetizing when it's just surrounded by rubbish, you know. So that's another thing. Like where there's vegetation where people can eat, kind of want a place that's clean and not like filled with rubbish, because again, yeah, people can eat that without having to go to like Tesco's or Asda or something like that to eat. So yeah, before I throw this away, I'm gonna do a little analysis of the brands that are in this bag. Stella Artois. We have McDonald's, the McCafe. I don't know like these. What is popular here? It's like these really cheap tin food in the area. I'm guessing people are trying to stay on a budget. There's Coca-Cola. I don't even know what cola this is, but some form of cola, a cheap form of cola. Basically, guys, what I'm trying to say is that when we're looking at policies like extended producer responsibility, and we're coming up with things and doing gap analysis as well, it's not going to be on the website. It's not going to be on a, you know, Google search that AI scrapes up a bunch of data to find. You actually need to go outside to see how consumers are wasting the products, and actually do the physical on-the-ground environmental work to collect the products and put them in the right bins. That's extended producer responsibility. Extended producer responsibility is essentially looking at who is responsible for the waste that is produced. And essentially the policy is saying that it is the brands, the producers, the retailers, and all these things that is responsible. Because if we look at the policy that happened with Refashion in France, which is a producer responsibility company that was responsible for collecting textile waste, as soon as there was textile waste on the streets, when they have been paid to clean and sort the textiles so that it isn't on the streets, the council is able to work out something to fine them, give them a penalty or whatever you want to call it. The point is, it added to the cost of the producer responsibility company. And then the producer responsibility company gets funds from brands to collect this textile waste. So even though we're looking at policies like, what's it called? Eco-design for sustainable product regulation. Eco-design for sustainable product regulation is about the design and the material composition of these products or these waste or these packaging and stuff like that. It's to make sure it is sustainable. But extended producer responsibility, if you focus too much on the design, the product, and all of these things, and you neglect where is the clothes going, Or where are the products going? Is it going into waste? We see the practical reality is that it's not necessarily about what the product is made of. It is whether the council has to collect it or whether the brands are supposed to collect it or the producers are supposed to collect it. Extended producer responsibility establishes that it's the producer, extended producer responsibility, that is supposed to be responsible for the collection of these things. So, know your policy, right?